how to add film grain in Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. Come over to New and select Adjustment Layer. Choose OK. Click and drag the adjustment layer above your clip and extend it out however long it needs to be. Then come up to Effects and search for Noise, and then drag the noise effect onto your adjustment layer. Come up to Effect Controls, scroll down until you see Noise, and here we can increase the amount of noise that's on our video. I recommend playing back through your video to get a true look of how this noise is affecting your clip. You can also configure use color noise and clip result values. I encourage you to play around with these effects and customize them how you want them for your videos. Everybody's projects are going to be different. As we have applied this effect using an adjustment layer, we have the ability to increase or decrease the opacity so you can tweak how intense this effect is on your video clip. I encourage you to play around with this and get this right for your video. And that's all there is to it.